Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. I am currently in Gandhinagar and to be more precise, I'm at the heart of Gandhinagar, which is known as Akbar Bhavan in Italy. Right in front of me is Akbar Bhavan, as you can see. And here is the tea stall where everyone gathers around, as you can see in the camera. Cool. So behind me is Udyog Bhavan and right in front of me is the secretariat, which I will show you as I go to the top of the building because it won't be visible from here. So let's just walk around this place. And the beautiful thing about this is it has greeneries on the both side of the road and also has space for parking. Like you wouldn't have seen the inner roads of a city being so big. And these are the biggest road I have seen in any city of Gujarat. I haven't traveled much, but as I have traveled more than enough to know the size of road for being big or small. Shit, cut this part. The roads are so big that you have parking on both. As far as I can tell, these are the widest road that you could see in Gujarat, in any city of Gujarat. So let me show you the view. It's very beautiful. It has trees on both sides, place for parking. Cars are parked everywhere and leaves are falling from the trees. And it looks very beautiful. Just see. And this is one of the most famous Hotel Haveli. Let me show you around. Here they have planted flowers everywhere. It looks really nice and amazing. The view is like if you get a room here, it's tall. Yeah, so the view that you would get would be a bit much like this. You have trees everywhere, greeneries all around this place. Let me show you the building. If the gate is open, here's how it looks. And I came to Gandhinagar for a visit to my own friend, and I thought maybe I should make a vlog here as well. So I have reached my destination. There is a parlor here called Shiv Cold Drinks. I forgot the name. Let me check again. Hold on. Yeah, so it's Shiv Cold Cafe, and one of my lassi over here. So I'll just go ahead and have lassi, and I'll see you soon. Bye. So I am somewhere in Sector 11, and this is the best view that you can get from a building to view the secretariat. Let me just flip the camera. There it is, the building. I'll show you around if I get a chance to enter the building. Okay, so